Hey guys, cooking is a serious business. A great meal brings joy, deepens relationships, and creates memories. Whenever you prepare that meal, you make the world better, even if it's only for a little while. So where's all that fancy words coming from? From the back of this box. Alright guys, so as you can see that we are going to be unboxing this pair of salt and pepper shakers, grinders. So this is a little bit weird maybe for this channel, but hey, you know, we do kitchen and stuff here too. So if you're the kind of person that buys stuff online, you know, this could be a good choice. Personally, me, I buy most of my stuff online, so this is how I got this. So as always guys, all the links are below for the items that we are reviewing. Alright guys, so let's take a look at this premium salt and pepper grinder. So it is a stainless steel and glass construction, heavy duty ceramic grinder, and obviously you can adjust the size of the grind. Easy to clean, modern design, so pretty cool. And that's where I got my fancy wording back here, and yeah, seems like a pretty good little presentation here. So let's pop it open. And honestly guys, when I first saw these, I was just like, what in the world? They were much bigger than I thought. Which is kind of cool because I was expecting a box, you know, this size to have small ones. But these are pretty large, as you can see. Look at my hands and look at the grinders here. Pretty large size. Okay, so it unscrews from the glass. And here we have the grinder part. And it does have a little cover on the top. And this is all stainless steel. So here is where you can adjust the grind. And if you can see guys, there's little dots here that shows you finer and coarser. And then this spins like this and grinds the salt or pepper. Alright, so it seems like a pretty straightforward design here. Same thing for this other one. Looks nice. And there we go. So here we have the two salt and pepper shakers. Now before I put anything in there, I'm gonna wipe them down, and it's probably good to wash these also guys. So you don't know where they've been, so you want to make sure you rinse them out from any kind of chemicals or whatever they've seen. Alright guys, so here I have pepper, just a regular round whole black peppers, and we are going to put these in one of these containers here. Now, I don't know if you know guys, but pepper tastes so much better when it's freshly ground. So the pepper is definitely worth grinding before you put it on food. So this is how it looks like guys. It looks pretty nice overall. I've got to put fingerprints all over this thing already, but you know, that's how it's going to be used. So alright, so our pepper is done. Let's work on our salt now. Alright, so the salt I'll be using is actually Hawaiian sea salt. So we live in Hawaii, so we have access to some Hawaiian sea salt. I've heard that there could be plastic in sea salt, unfortunately, but hopefully here in this Hawaiian salt we have pretty clean salt in here. So go ahead and pour some salt in this one. It was deemed to happen for me to spill some. Bad luck spilling salt. So and these are pretty, you know, large to medium grains here of the salt, so which would be perfect for the grinder. Alright, and here we have the salt. So now we have a salt and pepper shaker, or grinders. Alright, so I guess we're going to use the pepper here to demonstrate the what kind of grind it can make and stuff like that, since the salt would be a little bit harder to see. So open the cap, which the cap guys, by the way, holds on pretty well, like it doesn't come off at all. So it's got a little good click to it. I'm going to tighten this thing all the way and see how fine we can get from this pepper here. I guess I'll start right here. All right, it's grinding pretty good. Actually really fine, guys. Hopefully you can see that right there with the fine pepper. So now I'm gonna unscrew it a little bit and see what we can get out of that. Oh yeah, right away guys, you can see that it's bigger. I'm gonna screw it even more now. Okay, so yeah, it's working really good. It's consistent. So we got fine, a little larger, and now we got pretty large. Let's see how big we can make them. I'm gonna screw it a lot. Yeah, it's pretty good size. Even bigger than that. So I mean, technically, you know, that's as big as you probably want them for pepper. So yeah, as you can see, guys, it has no problem grinding pepper. And then when you're done, you close the lid and put it away. I definitely like that it comes with lids, is because, you know, little critters or flies or whatever are trying to get in here and, you know, get in your stuff, which is really bad. Alright guys, and that is the salt and pepper grinder. So on this channel, we even give love to these things. Guys, hopefully you enjoyed this little review of the salt and pepper grinders. If you don't like going to the store and buying stuff, check out these online. And as the box says, you know, when you prepare that meal, you make a world better, even if it's just for a little while. And it's true, cooking is fun, and enjoying company with others and sharing food can be very fun. If you didn't have any other spice but these two, you'd be alright. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, hit that thumbs up button. If you want to see more videos like this and other reviews and you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And as always guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.